guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Brooklyn. It is currently 12 o'clock at night. I was watching a few YouTube videos and I came across this girl and she was talking about this guy that's doing this 75-day challenge, and basically I'm just gonna read through the instructions and kind of like tell you guys a little bit of what it's about and why I want to do it. He's holding this 75-day challenge. It started like a while back, but I'm just gonna go ahead and put it on the screen for you and I'm gonna read through it with you guys. So basically it is a 0 to 100 mental toughness challenge. It's 75 days straight, and the rules are you have to follow a diet, which I already have a diet plan, so I'm just gonna follow that one, but I would recommend you guys following like a whole kind of foods diet and basically just try to stay in your calorie range, which is what I'm going to do, is just stay in my calorie range that I need to stay in for my body. The second rule is you have to work out for at least 2 days a week, 45 minutes each workout, and then it has to be outdoors no matter what. You can go on a walk, go on a run, walk your dog, walk your whatever. Next workout has to be 45 minutes in a gym. Rule number 3 is drink a gallon of water per day, which I mean, some people already do that. I personally don't, and I need to drink more water anyway, so we're gonna do that. And then read 10 pages of a non-fiction entrepreneurship / personal development book per day. There's this book that I've been wanting to read. It's basically a self-improvement book and I'm really excited to start reading that. Number 5, take a progress picture every single day. I take pictures on the daily, so that shouldn't be hard for me, but we'll see how that goes. Yeah, I'm kind of excited. It doesn't seem too hard. The only thing I think is going to be hard for me is doing it 75 days straight with no like cheat meals or breaks or anything like that. He's saying that 99% of the people will quit. This is about developing mental toughness along with confidence, self-esteem, self-worth, self-belief. I cannot talk tonight. Fortitude and gritness. I don't know what gritness is. I'm going to put it on the screen right here because I feel like a lot of people don't know what that means. But he's saying that if you finish this with zero compromise, that your life will be changed forever. I'm excited to see if, you know, at the end of these 75 days, if I feel any different, like mentally. And yeah, I'm pretty excited about it. I think it's gonna be pretty cool. I'm trying to convince my boyfriend to do it with me, so we'll see if he actually does it with me. I'm gonna go follow his Instagram. I'll put it on the screen so you guys can kind of like get some motivation. He also does podcasts, which I'll put that on the screen too. I listen to his podcast through Spotify. I'm gonna put that link also in the description. What I'm gonna do throughout this video is I'm gonna give you guys weekly updates, but still post like fun little videos in between. I'm gonna give you weekly updates about how I'm doing with it and what's going on with it. 1, for accountability, and 2, because I think it would be a really cool thing to go through with you guys. My whole reason for wanting to do this is, if you didn't know, I've lost 100 pounds, which I'll post pictures right here. I'm kind of just like in this like steady state with my body, and I kind of want to just give it like a little extra push. I'm really excited for that. I'm really excited for 2020, so I feel like this is a cool little challenge to start off 2020 with. Also, today I was cleaning out my closet and I came across this like little memory box of like letters and pictures and stuff like that. It's pretty cool. I found this letter that I wrote to myself from 2017. That was like 3 years ago, and it's crazy because a lot of my like goals and like dreams are still the same, but it's crazy to like, I remember like where I was at that time in that year, and it's crazy to think about how far I've come since then. I really just want to keep a documentation of, you know, this transformation, and I feel like it's gonna be super cool. Just let me know if you want to follow along with me. It's a pretty dope challenge. Throughout this challenge I'll be uploading meal ideas, workouts, stuff like that, things that you can do to make this challenge easier for yourself. Also, I'm gonna be posting my progress pictures throughout this challenge too, because I think it'll be pretty cool to see how I progress throughout the weeks. So now I'm going to get my water bottle out of my car because I'm gonna fill it up so I can put it in the fridge for tomorrow morning. This is my water bottle. I'm pretty sure like 3 or 4 of these is a gallon. So that's gonna be my goal. What we're gonna do for the next 75 days. I stick my water bottle in my fridge right here. I'm just gonna start drinking that tomorrow morning. And here I just have everything laid out for the gym tomorrow. My shoes, my bra, my leggings, and some pre-workout for tomorrow morning. I also went ahead and wrote all the rules for the 75-day challenge right there. Right here, I just have the letter that I wrote to myself just so I can remember like why I want to do this and what my end goals for doing this are. But I'm gonna go ahead, take off my makeup, and get ready for bed, and I'll see you guys in the morning. Okay, so right now I'm on my way to go pick up my cousin. We're about to go to the gym. I'm on my second bottle of water today, so that's good. Also just have my coffee right here. So far this morning's been good.
Close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
I just got back from the gym and I'm about to take a shower because I'm pretty sweaty from that workout. It's pretty good. And I'm about to start reading this Do One Thing Different book. It is my, what is it called? My read 10 pages of my, I guess this would be a self-help book, so, or self-improvement book. But it's pretty good so far. I've started reading it already, but I'm just gonna go ahead and read my 10 pages for today. After I read that, I think I might go on like a little walk or something, or I might wait for Kenneth to get home and go on a 45-minute walk with him because I've done my gym 45-minute workout, but I still need to do my outdoor one. I'm on my third bottle of water already, and I've stuck to my diet and I've taken my progress pictures. So yeah, today's been pretty good so far for the first day, and I kind of got a good head start on everything. So I'm really excited to continue this challenge and make every day an amazing day. The first day started off well, started off strong, so that's good. I'm just finishing my last bottle of water right now. And yeah, I mean, overall today was really good, and I hope you guys decide to, you know, look into the challenge and look into doing it as well. It's pretty cool. But yeah, I'm gonna keep you guys updated. My next update is gonna be this coming up Saturday, so if you want to see that, subscribe to my channel. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching.